Hello, welcome to the Creator. Today I will be exploiting port 6667 Postgresql. First, we'll begin by pinging the target system, and we will stop the ping and notice that there is connectivity between the two machines. Clear. Next, we'll run a Zenmap scan, which is basically a graphic user interface of the Nmap scan. Type in the target IP address into the target box. Next, press scan. After the Zenmap scan is complete, notice some of the more detailed information listed as opposed to doing a normal Nmap scan. Scroll up to locate whether the port 6667 is even open and identify the version. Port 6667 is running Unreal IRC. You can also go to ports to check all the open ports on this exploitation machine. Notice at the bottom that port 6667 is open and is using Unreal IRC. Exit out of the Zenmap application, push the Close Anyway bubble, and clear your current terminal. Next, type service space Postgresql space start. Next, type in MSF console to bring up the Metasploit framework. Then search Unreal IRC. We found a backdoor command execution exploit in which we are going to use. Type use space 0. Type show options to see what is needed for this specific exploitation. The remote host is required, so we're going to type in the target IP address as the remote host. Next, we will show options to make sure that the remote host was set into the exploitation. Although not required, we are going to set the local host with the host IP address. Now we're going to show options again, and you will notice that nothing has changed. Next, we will run the command exploit. We now have a command shell session opened, and we are going to type in ID to check privileges. Next, we will type in the command ifconfig to make sure we are connected to the target system. Notice the inet is 10.1.1.100, which is the IP address of the target machine. Next, type the command pwd to view the current working directory. Then type cd to change the directory. Next, type else to view the current directory. Many files in this directory can be used for exploitation, but for the purposes of this video, I am only interested in the shadow file. Type cat space shadow to view the contents within the shadow file. Locate red team student 1, which is my specific hash that I have to decode. Copy the hash and then open a new terminal window. Type leafpad space passhash.txt. In the leafpad window, paste the hash that you copied earlier, and then save the file, and then close the leafpad window. Next, type cat space pass hash .txt to make sure that the file is indeed there. And then type John space pass hash .txt in order to crack the code. The session is complete and the password is 1A. Next, go back to the previous terminal, go down and type in cd space dot dot to change the directory, and then else to view the content of the directory. Now change the directory to red team 1, which is my team, and then type else to view the content of the directory. Then type cd, which is change directory, to student 1, and then type else again to view the content of the directory. Type cat space mypass.txt to view the contents of the file. Next, we will download the mypass.txt file from the target machine into the host machine using this following command. The download was successful. Now we want to go back to the previous terminal and clear. Next, type else to view the current root directory. Then type cd space documents to change the directory to documents. Now type else to view documents, and notice the mypass.txt file that we downloaded from the target machine. Next, type cat space mypass.txt to view the contents of the file. Copy the following code. Then change directory back to the root and then clear the terminal. Next, type leafpad space base64 hash .txt. Paste the base64 hash that you previously copied into the leafpad window and then save that content. Next, type base64 space -d for decode space and then the name of the file that you created in order to crack the base64 hash. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe for more content like this, and have a good day.